All of us have experienced the loss of a pet, but there are those times when a pet loses an owner, and that's what happened to Tommy. According to the Daily Mail, Tommy is a 7-year-old German Shepherd living in San Donacci, Italy. He was adopted as a stray by a woman named Maria. The two were very close, and Tommy would accompany her on errands and when she went to church. Maria died 2 months ago, and Tommy showed up without anyone bringing him to the funeral. And that wasn't the end of it. Tommy is so fiercely loyal to Maria that every day when the church bells chime, Tommy goes to Mass. According to the parish priest, for the past 2 months, Tommy has been to Mass every single day. He is quiet and sits peacefully in the front of the church. None of the other parishioners have complained, and they have given Tommy food and water and shelter. They've all adopted him. It's a bittersweet story, and it made us think of some other incredible stories about dogs refusing to leave the side of their owners and friends, even if it means putting themselves in harm's way. They are remarkable and inspiring animals. So tonight, take a moment to hug the dog that you love and remember all the dogs that have loved you. And yes, do something nice for your cat, too.